It is now 10:30 p.m. Asmara time. Hello and thank you for joining us on ERi-TV English News Broadcast. Reporting live from our headquarters in Asmara is Heaven Johannes, your news anchor for this session. Let's begin with the major headlines. Training on refrigeration and air conditioning. Indomasa Award presented to outstanding students. Protests against the proposals by the United States to clean out Gaza. And at least 9 dead in U.S. floods and heavy rain. In our domestic news, the Ministry of Land, Water and Environment has provided training on refrigeration and air conditioning to 37 technicians from various government and private institutions. The training delivered by Eritrean professionals combined theoretical and practical components. Its primary aim was to enhance the technicians' skills and promote the adoption of environment-friendly and energy-efficient technologies. Mr. Kibrom Asmerom, acting head of the ministry's environmental branch, stated that the objective of the training was to familiarize technicians with the evolving refrigeration and air conditioning technologies, as well as their maintenance. Mr. Samara Johannes, head of environment in the northern Red Sea region, emphasized that the program was part of ongoing efforts to develop the capacity of technicians engaged in the maintenance and operation of refrigeration and air conditioning systems. He also stressed the importance of sustaining the training program to enable technicians to keep pace with ever-changing technological advancements. Highlighting the significance of the training in their daily work, the trainees noted that the knowledge they gained would help them address challenges that may arise in their workplaces. As part of the training, participants visited a fish storage facility and a gas cleaning hub to observe practical applications of the concepts they had learned. In another news, the Indomasa Award has been presented to outstanding students in the southern region who achieved high scores in the 2023 and 2024 8th grade national examination. The award ceremony, organized by the collaboration with the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students and the Ministry of Education in the region, was held on 15th February at Mandafara Stadium. A total of 517 students who scored above 85 points were recognized for their academic excellence. Mr. Girmay Gabru, head of the union branch, stated that the award aims to foster a competitive spirit among students. He also highlighted that Fithi Junior School emerged as the overall winner at the regional level for having the highest number of top-scoring students. Mr. Gabriel Mikhail Auba Gabriel, head of the Regional Education Office, attributed the students' success to their dedication and continuous support and guidance of their parents. He also called on all stakeholders, including institutions and the public, to reinforce their participation in efforts to improve the teaching and learning process. Mr. Haptab Tesfatsian, governor of the southern region, congratulated the awardees and their parents. He urged all students to take full advantage of the educational opportunities available and strive for excellence in their future academic careers. The Indomasa Award has been presented annually since 2014 to students who excel in the 8th grade national examination. Over the past 10 years, a total of 3,463 students have benefited from the award. Elections for area administrators, managing directors and village coordinators were conducted in 3 administrative areas of the Asab subzone on the 15th of February. Mr. Burhana Kidane, acting administrator of the subzone, reported that 27 individuals, including 17 females, were elected as administrators, managing directors and village coordinators. Mr. Burhana commended the strong public participation in the election process and noted that pre-election campaigns were conducted to raise awareness and encourage residents to elect trustworthy representatives. The newly elected officials pledged to carry out their responsibilities with dedication and to work towards addressing the needs of their communities. Do stay tuned, dear viewers, for we shall be back with the international news after the short break. Welcome back. Hundreds of thousands of people took to the streets of London on Saturday to protest against the proposals by the United States to clean out Gaza and urging the government of the United Kingdom to stop providing military assistance to Israel. Demonstrators carried signs reading "Hands off Gaza," "Stop the war," and "Stop arming Israel," marching towards the U.S. Embassy in London to voice their outrage, highlighting Trump's administration's proposals are against the rights of the Palestinian people as well as the international law. President Trump's administration has proposed Palestinians in Gaza to move to Egypt and Jordan. Organizers estimated hundreds of thousands of people attended the rally, making it the largest protest in the UK since the Palestine-Israel conflict broke out in October 2023. Israel's military operation in Gaza has been met with multiple objections and criticisms from several countries. It is estimated that more than 48,000 Palestinians have been killed ever since Israel's military operation in Gaza began. At least 9 people have died as torrential rainstorms drenched parts of the southeastern U.S., submerging roads and houses. Accordingly, more than 500,000 households were left without power, with hundreds of thousands displaced. Kentucky, Georgia, Alabama, Mississippi, Tennessee, Virginia, West Virginia, and North Carolina are the most affected states. It is to be recalled that almost all of these states suffered catastrophic damage in September from a hurricane. Officials have cautioned that the worst of the flooding is not over yet and that the effects will continue for a while. Meteorologists have also warned that a polar vortex is making its way early this week towards the northern Rocky Mountains and northern plains in the middle of the country. Reports say that the United States is becoming one of the main countries being heavily affected by rainstorms, overheating, flooding, and other natural disasters. With this, we conclude our news for this session. Dear viewers, time for a quick recap of the major headlines. Training on refrigeration and air conditioning. Endomaso Award presented to outstanding students. Protest against the proposals by the United States to clean out Gaza. And at least 9 dead in U.S. floods and heavy rain. This was The World on Monday with ERi-TV English News Broadcast. Dear viewers, thank you for joining and have a good week.